If you're looking for a way to start using Litmatch here and you're just wondering what are the different apps or what are the different sections, features you can actually access on Litmatch, well, using Litmatch is actually easy. So the first way for you to start using the app is to create your account. Now, a great thing about Litmatch is you don't have to pay for anything in order for you to join the actual platform. But in this case, how do we start using Litmatch here? Now, Litmatch here is a good way for you to meet different people. With Litmatch, the format here is quite different compared to other social platforms out there. So when you first open up Litmatch, this is what you're seeing. So as you can see, there's soul game, voice game, party match, and oldest people currently right now. So the thing with this one is the people that you see right now on your homepage are actually people that you most likely would like to chat with. As you can see, people are going to start messaging you if the actual platform thinks that this person is actually quite a match for you. And also, if you click on one of them, you have the option to start chatting with them or even just follow them if you want. And you could also click on the three dot option at the top right. And you can even block, report, or share this contact or edit their alias just in case. Also, click on start at the top right here if you want to do other things like follow, chat, or send some gift. But what are the other things that you can see here? Now, you also have the status at the bottom right here. So in this case, if you click on it, you have the option to basically set your status. So what you're looking for, if you want to chat, if you want to video call here, if you're seeking relationships, or if you hate to be alone. So just choose whatever your status here. And typically this is what other people will be seeing in your account, which in this case, this will also suggest people that has the same status right now. So yeah, you could go ahead and view their profile if you want. So in this case, what are the three items or features you see here? Solo game, voice game, party match. Now, the thing with solo game is like a random chat that you could basically do on Litmatch. So if you click on it, you will now be matched with someone via text chat only. So in this case, you could basically connect with them if you want to. Now, also, if you click on voice game here, this will actually match you with someone via voice. So from the name itself, voice game, this will match you with someone randomly here and you'll be chatting via voice call. If you choose party match here, you will be partying. So you'll be joining a lobby with a lot of other people and maybe find someone there that you could actually chat with. Now, you can even support other people that would even like do some performances here, if I'm not mistaken. They could actually sing and you can actually support them within the actual room itself. Now, if you click on the filter at the top left here, you have the option to change what you're looking for. So if you want to chat with females or males, you can go and change that in here. And also change the age range as well as if you want to. Now, you could also receive in your game invitations and show the game collection entry as well. Now, at the very bottom, you have 5 options. So the homepage here, which in this case, what we discussed allows you to see what we just discussed right now. Now, this case, you also have the party chat icon here, which allows you to again join the party chat and just talk to different people and different party rooms here. You can join that as well. And you also have the discovery here, which in this case, you can see different posts from different people. So if you want to start chatting with them, you could go ahead and do that. And you also have messages here, which in this case, you should be able to see different people you've chatted with. So yeah, you could go and continue your chat here if you want to. If you click on the profile icon, it's bottom right here. This allows you to view your current profile, which in this case, you can edit. Like for example, editing your name, your actual bio, if you want to change the tags that actually is currently describes you. So yeah, using this is quite easy. So if you've already chatted with someone, you have the usual one here. You have the option to send emojis. You have the option to record your own voice as well, send pictures, take photos, send locations, even like send gifts if you want to, which in this case, again, is a great way for you to support different people here if you want to give them some tip or something like that. In this case, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.